everybody. Today I'm gonna build spaceships out Magna-Tiles. For this one that I'm gonna show you to do is you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big triangles and 2 small triangles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. But there's other channels that you can follow me on something, but these two are not today. These two are today. But we're starting with this one. Starting now.
Can you go over in that chair?
Oh. Here we go. It's the coolest spaceship in the world. And, well, this is how you start off. You need this. You have to build this, then another one, and then you have to attach them together like that. Then just put another one there and then lift them back up and then put the 2 that's left over on it. And that's how you build this one. And now we're ready for the next one. First, you start with a cube and then start with these 2 on it, and then put a triangle here, and then a triangle here. That's it. There's the 2.